Spec 2 is the biggest mod ever released for Gran Turismo 4, bringing a variety of fixes and improvements to several parts of the game like new cars, events, and a custom event creator. The full list is on the description below, and I will show you how to install this mod right now. So for this mod to work, you're gonna need the American version of the online public beta of GT4, and it has to be the vanilla version as well. If you modded this game before with the randomizer mod, for example, or the online patch, it will not work. It has to be the vanilla version of the public beta and the American version. So the mod is available on the 80meister website. The link will be down below on the description. And on this page, you're gonna click here on download Spec 2 to get the mod. And the software we're gonna be using to apply the mod is the Delta Patcher right here. The link will also be on the description. And on this page, you're gonna scroll down a little bit and then click here on the download button to get that. So when you have both files with you, we're gonna start extracting them, and you can use WinRAR or 7-zip for that, or even the extracting tool of Windows 11. That's gonna be up to you. Personally, I'm using 7-zip, so I'm gonna start by extracting the mod. Double click on this Spec 2 file, and inside it, the file we need is this one here, the X-Delta for the mod. So I'm just gonna drag and drop this file from outside the zip folder right here. And we're gonna do the same thing for the Delta Patcher. There are two files in here. You only need this .ex from it. Drag and drop it as well. And after you're done, you can go ahead and delete the original zip files. We're not gonna need that anymore. And the patching is very straightforward. You're gonna start by double clicking the Delta Patcher file. By doing so, this window will show up. And right here, under original file, you're gonna click on this little folder here, and you're gonna navigate to the location where the game is. In my case, it's under the games folder of the PCSX2 folder right here. So when you locate your game, double click on that and it will be added here. And you have to do the same thing for the patch itself. So click on the little folder and navigate to where the mod is, which is this same folder right here. Double click on this one, and by default, when you click on apply patch, the game will generate the game with the mod, and it will erase your original game. So if you still want that, you can click here on this little gear and then select backup original file so you can maintain the original game. So now all you have to do is click on apply patch and wait for it to finish. This should only take a few seconds or so, but this is gonna depend on how strong your CPU is. If everything was done correctly, you'll see this message here. So now just click on OK. And if you go to the folder where your original game was, you'll see a new file here for the game, but now saying patched right next to it. So now let's go back to the emulator. And in my case, because I clicked on backup original file size, I have both games here with me, right? But this is the new one. And if you're wondering, the patches that the original game had on the emulator are not showing up in here, but that's because they are already applied on the Spec 2 mod. That is the widescreen patch, the forced 480p resolution, and the new trigger sensitivity. All of those patches from before, they are already here. So now you just have to configure the game again with your graphics settings as before, and you are ready to start. So double click on the game and you can start playing the Spec 2 mod for Gran Turismo 4. I have many videos like this on the channel covering how to install and play games on PC with the best settings for performance and graphics. So if you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and as always, I'll see you soon.